Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to update Directx in Windows 11. To start, in the search box, enter dxdag. Click on the command. Now in the displayed window, you find the version used in the line Directx version. After this, click on the Start menu, click on Settings. In the Windows Update section, click Check for updates. After that, wait if there is any update for Directx. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.